How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers.
The British 5 new pence coin holds an interesting place in the history of British currency. Introduced as part of the decimalization of the United Kingdom's monetary system, this coin has become a piece of numismatic interest due to its historical significance and gradual evolution. History of the 5 new pence coin. The 5 new pence coin was first introduced in 1968, 3 years before the UK officially adopted decimal currency on February 15, 1971. Its introduction was a preparatory step toward the transition from the old pounds, shillings, and pence system to the decimal system. The coin was designed to replace the older shilling, 1/20th of a pound, and retained the same value and dimensions as the shilling. The coin was made of cupro-nickel, 75% copper and 25% nickel, and had a weight of 5.65 grams, with a diameter of 23.59 mm. The obverse featured a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin, which depicted the Queen wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. Designed by Christopher Ironside, showcased a crowned Scottish thistle, symbolising Scotland and British unity. In 1990, the coin underwent significant changes as part of a broader effort to reduce the size of UK coinage. The 5 new pence was replaced by a smaller version simply labelled as 5 pence. The new coin retained the same design but was smaller and lighter, with a diameter of 18 mm and a weight of 3.25 grams. Collectability and value. The value of the 5 new pence coin depends on its year of minting, condition, and whether it has any unique features or error. In general, circulated examples are common and hold little monetary value beyond their face value, 5 pence. However, uncirculated coins, proof coins, and coins from specific years with low mintages can be worth more to collectors. Circulated coins. These are usually valued at their face value, though older coins in pristine condition may sell for a small premium, typically between £1 and £3. Uncirculated or proof coins, struck with a higher quality finish, can be worth £5 minus £10, depending on the year and condition. 3. Error coins. Coins with minting errors are particularly sought after. For example, coins with misaligned designs or double strikes could fetch upwards of £50 or more, depending on the rarity of the error. Key dates to look for: 1968, the first year of issue, which holds significance for collectors. 1970, proof sets.